Welcome to the GooDocs tutorial on formatting your Google Docs document like a book. Follow these steps to give your document a professional book layout. First, let's set up your page. Go to File, then select Page Setup. Here, you can adjust the page orientation, size, and color to match your book's needs. Next, adjust the margins. In the Page Setup menu, set the margins to your desired width. This is crucial for a book format, as it affects readability. Now, apply heading styles to structure your document. Use Heading 1 for chapter titles and Heading 2 for subheadings. This helps in creating a table of contents later. To add page numbers, go to Insert, then Page Numbers. Choose the position and style that fits your book format. This is essential for navigation. Finally, export your document as a PDF for easy sharing and printing. Go to File, then Download, and select PDF document. Your book is now ready to be shared. You've successfully formatted your Google Docs document like a book. For more tutorials and templates, visit us at thegoodocs.com. Happy writing!